Hello and welcome to the RCNi Nurse Awards 2020, delivered on behalf of the RCN to showcase the clinical expertise, commitment and compassion demonstrated by nurses throughout the UK. This year is extra special as we are celebrating what nurses do for people from all walks of life and at every stage of life worldwide throughout the International Year of the Nurse and Midwife. But at the beginning of the year, who would have predicted how nursing would need to demonstrate its value globally through its committed professional response to the pandemic? So before we meet our 2020 finalists, let's hear from some of our Nurse Award winners and finalists about how they are meeting the challenge of COVID-19.
It's very difficult to talk about the positives when you think of COVID, when you think of what you've been through. I don't think any of us could have comprehended the level of stock we would need in a month. We would get emails from suppliers saying all stocks were being diverted to the NHS. It was almost like we were forgotten.
We were all just very frightened about what it meant and what it would mean for our working patterns and bringing it home and passing it on to loved ones, protecting ourselves. The challenges were looking at the best way to facilitate end-of-life care that was dignified and met the needs of the department as well as the needs of the patient.
We've had people come to us that believe that they have found the cure for COVID, that drinking bleach would cure COVID. We've had people present to us who were redeployed from one area of healthcare and kind of straight into an area that they were unfamiliar with, without preparation, without support, and they have been traumatised by what they've seen.
It changed everything about our way of working. It just completely turned it on its head.
We did lose staff across our footprint during COVID. So we created a flag to go over the condolence trolley. We've had all staff playing a guard of honour as the staff were being taken to the mortuary. So although it's been really, really tough, we need to show, we really, really do care.
What supported us are the families. They've sent videos, they've done fun things, they've sent care packages. It's helped us look at things in a different way, particularly with technology. We've done staff clinics, we do family clinics, and kindness has really been evident across all of our care homes. Kindness from staff, commitment from staff, but kindness from the community and families as well.
Our patient feedback that we got was amazing. The patients loved being cared for by us. People came all together and it created such a lovely atmosphere. There was like a sense of unity for that we wanted to fight the pandemic.
When a hotel place came up for somebody, we were able to visit them on the street. We could symptom screen them, stabilise their drug use as well in lots of cases. Yeah, we saw real improvements in health, which were amazing.
We take handprints and lip kisses and photographs of tattoos. That's what we do. Free compassionate work beyond anybody's expectation.
What a remarkable response from the nursing profession to an unprecedented challenge. Now it's time to celebrate what nurses deliver for individuals, families, and entire communities day in and day out. Before we meet the contenders in the nursing student category of the RCNi Nurse Awards 2020, let's hear from Anglia Sutcliffe, Chief Executive of our sponsor, the NMC.
Hello, my name is Andrea and I'm the Chief Executive and Registrar of the Nursing and Midwifery Council. And one of our roles is to promote the professional standards for nurses and midwives. And what better way to do that than to celebrate the best with the RCNi Awards. And it's particularly appropriate in this International Year of the Nurse and the Midwife that we're sponsoring the Student Nurse Award, because students are our future. And from looking at the nominations, our future is in really good hands. Good luck to all of the finalists.
Thank you for supporting these awards and the nursing profession. Let's meet our finalists.
Our first finalist is Fiona Fitch. She has highlighted how students can improve the care of deteriorating patients, presenting her extensive research at a Health Education England event and to all adult nursing students at her university. As a student representative, our next finalist, Lynsey McLaughlin, met many students facing distressing situations, challenging academic obligations and financial struggles. So she negotiated a space for them to meet and eat a healthy, affordable meal they'd prepared at home. Nathan Harrison is our third finalist. Through social media, Nathan created a support network for students with caring responsibilities who were struggling with the demands of the course. He has used feedback to ensure content remains relevant and has completed training on safeguarding and signposting to university support systems. Believing there is a huge gap in care and treatment of people from the deaf community, our next finalists, Rebecca Lennox and Robyn Mills, introduced 2 days of British Sign Language classes for university staff and students by working with charity Deaf Active. Next up is Ricky Baker. He has used social media to create a peer support network and child health information hub for 2,000 children's nursing students around the country. They share information through regular Twitter chats, which have proved invaluable during the pandemic. Sean Prendergast and Laura McAdam are next. They led a team from 4 universities to deliver a successful first Scottish Future of Mental Health Nursing conference. It featured a packed programme of speakers and workshops. 500 students and 100 healthcare professionals attended. Our 6th finalist is a team, the Student Empowerment Group. They are helping develop nurse education and co-produce the curriculum by attending programme planning meetings and giving feedback while modules are being developed. It has developed guidance for students going on placement. Our final nursing student is Temitope Babajide. As well as fundraising to ship medical resources donated by her trust to her hospital placement in Ghana, Temitope delivered a hand hygiene project that has reduced infection rates and set up a widows community support group, including health checks. Thanks to the NMC for sponsoring this award. With such fantastic finalists, we can see nursing has a bright future. To present the award, please welcome actor and RCN ambassador, Emilia Clarke.
Hello everyone. I am delighted to join you tonight to announce the RCNi Student Nurse of the Year Award 2020. This year, we decided to extend the shortlist to help showcase the incredible range of work being delivered by nurses at this very early stage in their careers. Through their practical and hands-on approach, they are already helping countless people in hospitals and the wider community. What's more, they are finding innovative ways to support each other and meet the growing challenges facing the nursing profession today. This year has truly been like no other. Before we announce the winner of this category, I would like to recognise the incredible contribution of student nurses right across the UK who have risen to the challenge of the coronavirus pandemic and volunteered to join the nursing workforce early. As the country has come to terms with the realities of living through a pandemic, you have stepped up to meet the additional pressures this has placed on your careers, families, and well-being with compassion and grace. Many of you have supported patients as they've approached the end of their lives without loved ones around them. You have read to them, held their hands, played them their favourite music, arranged video calls. And you have taken it upon yourselves to go further, coordinating groups of student nurses to ease the loneliness of older people shielding at home, rallying to support people struggling with mental ill health throughout lockdown, and much more. I am humbled by your dedication and determination to support those most in need of care. You should be very proud. With this remarkable response and our 8 fantastic finalists, we can see that the nursing profession has a bright future. But there can only be one winner tonight. It is my absolute honour to announce that the Student Nurse of the Year is Temitope Babajide. Congratulations, Temitope. The judges were incredibly impressed by your deep passion for nursing and how this has been reflected through your work in the UK and on placement in Ghana, as well as in the wider communities. I wish you every success in your career.
Congratulations on winning this prestigious award, Temitope. What a fantastic demonstration of global nursing in the International Year of the Nurse and Midwife. And that brings us to the close of the Nurse Student category of the RCNi Nurse Awards 2020. The awards recognise the very best of nursing, and you can find the winners of all our categories at rcni.com/nurse-awards. Thank you for being a part of this celebration. Before you leave, please take a moment to remember the members of the nursing team who have died during the pandemic.